We're cooking with wine, we're cooking with wine. There'll be some cooking, but mostly wine. We're cooking with wine, we're freaking cooking with wine. Cooking with wine, and now it's time.
Hello everybody, and welcome to the proper first episode of Cooking with Wine. And I am really pleased to say we have a special guest with us here today, and it's Sarah. Sarah, why don't you come on down as the wine is right. This is Sarah. Sarah, please do take a seat. Right, I have a very special wine today. I got this specially for you. I mean, you can't have any, but like especially for you. You might notice the name.
What does that mean?
It's your name. Oh, Sarah Carvalas. What?
It's Cardenas. Well, that's how I say it.
Carvalas. What's your name?
I say
No,
Cardenas. That's how I say it.
Okay.
But it's definitely not Carvalas.
Oh, I was excited for that. I thought it was going to be a really big feature.
But I don't get to taste that.
No. Like it's port, you don't want it.
You wouldn't like it.
What does port mean? I don't even know.
It's from Portugal. Like you're Portuguese.
Am I Portuguese?
It's Carvalas, I googled it.
No, I am not Portuguese, but that's Portuguese.
I'm going to have to make a call. Hang on. Let me get my phone. Hey, how you doing? It's me. No. Yeah, no. Not Portuguese. Like, do I get my deposit back on? Like, I don't know. But just like not Portuguese. Okay. Yeah, I still want the chopsticks for next week. Okay. Alright, bye. Okay.
What are we making?
Well, today, it's not a challenging dish, conventionally, but I'm going to make a Bolognese. But what I'm going to do is I'm not going to use a jar of like dolmio or ragu or some stuff. I'm going to make my own tomato sauce. I said tomato especially for you. Why?
No.
Because you're from...
I mean, I'm from Columbus, Ohio. What do you mean where I'm from?
I don't know where you're from.
I'm from Columbus, Ohio. What the hell are these, though?
These are tomatoes.
But like, where are they from? I'm just wondering.
Like what I'll do is I'll Google it and I'll put it on the bottom of the screen. I'll be like, they're from somewhere. I'm going to start chopping some tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes, I would say. Columbus, Ohio.
Yeah.
Have you seen Zombieland, the movie Zombieland?
Yes. A long
Because
time
then they
ago.
call the person in that Columbus, Ohio. Because they don't do names.
Maybe
And
they
say-
didn't. They called her Columbus.
Tallahassee is another one.
So where are you from?
Oh, well thank you for throwing that back at me. I always say Oxford, because Oxford is where I spent most of my... It's where I spent the most time of all the places I've been.
Mm-hmm.
But I was technically born in the middle of the UK. A place called Leicester, which you would say Leicester.
Leicester. Isn't that a name?
Leicester.
I thought of Chester the molester. That's what I thought of when you
Oh,
said
Chester the
that.
child molester.
I reached over and jerked him off, which we will get to that later. That movie.
What?
That movie.
You reached over and jacked off a cheek?
I know that came out of nowhere, but the Chester the molester made me think of the movie that you guys told us to watch.
Oh,
Which, like, that's a whole nother topic.
Abducted and
Which I tagged you guys in the thing, and nobody Nobody liked it. But anyway,
Alright.
so Lester, back to the Chester
Yeah.
and Lester. Like, I don't know what are we making again?
Bolognese.
Hey, you know what's funny though?
Please tell
A
me.
funny fact that I don't think I've ever told you before. So
Oh,
my
I'm
best
excited.
friend
Phone is down.
in middle school from 7th grade
Was called Carvalas.
No, she was British.
Ooh, I mean, not a lot left of that. Like who? This is almost gone.
Are you gonna cook at all? At any time?
Guess what? I'm already cooking.
So you don't think it's cool at all that I happen to have a friend like from 7th?
Carvalas.
No, she
Oh,
wasn't
no.
called Alice. Her last name was Snellham.
What?
Nina Snellham.
That sounds like
Snail,
some Harry Potter
and then
bullshit
ham.
right there.
So 12. So that was 2002. Yeah, 2002. She came over.
Are you trying to figure out how old you were in 2002?
Like I remember partying like it's 1999 when it was
1999.
1999. Like I remember that. Yeah. I was old enough to drink at that point.
I was 9. But they were like.
So to you, like the song "Party Like It's 1999" means you can have like jelly and ice cream. Oh wait.
So, you know, you moved over here and everything. Are there ingredients that you miss from the UK that are not here?
Like so many.
Or maybe have you found something that's even better than over there?
So I get my first Chick-fil-A burger, and the chicken, the coating stuff was like so addictive that I tasted a bit of it and I was like, this is all I want. I just want this food from now on. But I know that there's something in this that's banned in the UK, probably for good reason.
Because Portuguese, I don't know what Portuguese people even look like, to be honest. They look like me. I mean, I find that flattering.
What are you eating, fucking Czechs? What is this?
Is this Chex Mix Gold?
The carne,
The carne?
as I would say in Mexico.
Well, I hate when people ask me this, like, isn't it like, you know?
And you're gonna hate the next 30
Do you
minutes.
speak Spanish? Do you fucking know anything? No, I don't.
What do you know? You know things.
I mean, I know, like, the average person.
The average Spanish person.
Totally.
What do you know about the Bernie Sanders guy?
Bernie Sanders, that sounds so familiar.
And
Sarah.
that's the question.
I know, I've been in school. I mean, the name sounds familiar.
Yeah,
I know
no,
he's like a person.
Like, here's
I know he's a person. So we have somebody who's named very similar to Bernie Sanders, and he's like, I think he rides like an ostrich, and he's like a comedian, like a performer. I say comedian, he's like a performer. He's very similar to Bernie something. And so when I hear that name, you know, Bernie Sanders is running, but it's like, oof.
Yeah, just
Like on the ostrich or no? Like, I mean, Bernie Ostrich comes up. Clifton, Bernie Clifton. Let me show you our Bernie Clifton.
It's like two first names.
This is Bernie Clifton.
What the?
Yeah, there we go.
Ah!
That's
Who
my
wins the
favorite
prize? What's the fucking prize?
Favorite
There are no
prize in this
prizes.
The prize is by 9 o'clock you may have eaten something. No Chex Mix!
Ah, that is a common real food. It's not real food.
What's the shit salt? What's the shit our stuff? Don't use our stuff. I
Oh
guess
yeah.
That's
No.
like us having like in like Leicester having like a Texan barbecue sauce or something like that, and it would be like it'd be proper shit. I think it's
I know I'm the first guest, but I want to be like the best guest.
So I'm gonna throw because like while we've been, you know, talking about
Racist shit.
like don't make me out to be some sort of princess. I'm not.
But I feel like
you're-
that's so.
Even Neil said you were a princess.
Who? Neil said
like
that?
we don't care what Neil said. It's gonna be like we're definitely gonna eat like today.
Okay, put it over here.
You have to tell everybody that your name has changed.
What's that say on the front?
Bold, party bold, blend.
So we need to make some pasta.
Yeah, I probably should, but I feel like men are pussies just in general.
We're playing a new section in the show. It's called Cooking with Haste. So what we're going to do is this. We need to boil some water quickly. Don't press the fucking button. It freaks me out. So you're going to be reading questions from Jeopardy, and it's been confirmed that I do not know these questions.
Yes. Can I tell you my goddamn categories or not? So languages, countries, animal kingdom, colleges, soccer. So
Alright, let's do soccer. We're on. Soccer.
Soccer. Do you want 100 to 500? Which one do you want?
Just fucking ask the question. What do you mean?
What is, it would help if I could read, Arzelia Stadium called?
What are you saying?
Arsenio Stadium called. What is Arsenio Stadium called?
Are you saying Arsenal?
Yes, she is.
It's oh fuck. It's
It's over! Trebek would veto it right there. I can't read, I'm sorry. Pick another category, try again. Zap his ass.
I already did.
Did you zap me? You can that's alright. I don't feel that.
Alright. College.
Like I don't want to do more any soccer. Like none of that
Animal
college shit.
Kingdom, countries,
Yeah, Animal Kingdom.
languages. Animal Kingdom. What do you call a baby kangaroo?
Oh fuck. Joey.
D-D-D-D. Good job. What is it, Joe? You have to say what is, though. Alright, so
Oh,
next,
shit.
100 points.
You trash.
Alright, so next question.
Oh no, I
Colleges, Animal Kingdom, countries, or languages.
Languages.
Alright, 100. What is the world's? What is the world's most widely spoken languages?
Mandarin.
Language.
Mandarin.
Fuck you! You.
Is that right or
Yeah.
wrong?
Yes, that's right.
It's pretty fucking warm. I think I'm gonna be okay.
Yeah.
Name it! You only. I'm picking the fucking
Countries. Countries.
What is Africa's smallest mainland country?
What the fuck? Why did I just get that?
What is Africa's smallest mainland country? You zapping motherfucker?
Fucking hell, I'm stirring the fucking pan.
I was being fucking juice.
I don't know. You can zap me, it's fine. I'm not
No, don't
sure.
do it. I was like, no.
Oh, what else you got?
All right, what's the oldest U.S. university for 100 points?
Harvard.
Yes! Zap is
Zapping for me. No, don't zap me.
What category do you pick? Colleges?
Animal Kingdom.
Animal Kingdom for 200.
Yep.
What is the world's second tallest animal?
What is an antelope?
No, what is an elephant?
What the?
This is easy. This is easy. Think about
What
it.
are you asking me another question? I'm not even on my feet.
What is the world's longest living mammal? Longest living mammal.
Oh, the whale?
But mammal, like
A whale's a mammal.
but like other things are mammals too. Like
He's saying I'm wrong.
yes. I mean kinda, yeah. Like you're wrong. Like yeah, definitely. But like we've come a long way. You know? No, it's bullshit! It's a human!
What?
That's why it's a human. It's a human.
Longest
living
in
mammal,
Oh, not
mammal.
longest in length.
Alright.
Like not fucking soccer
What
or any of that
animal is known as a sea cow?
shit. Manatee just said that.
Yes!
But I don't need to have another shot.
Like, can we start at 4? Can I see the thing? I have a high pain tolerance. Bring it on, fuckers. Bring it on! Zap me right now and let me see if I feel anything. You just zap me? But it's like kind of loose on my wrist, so I can't get it any tighter. I can't get it any tighter. It's on the tightest one.
No, it's not. I've got it on my wrist.
Dude, that's the tightest one.
Don't call me dude. Like,
I'm like a bra.
It really is.
It's as tight.
Where's the rest of your body? What language do they mostly speak in Somalia?
Salamia?
Somalia.
I don't know these worldly things.
Zap.
Ah! And then they don't be a guest on this show. Don't do it. For Christ's sake, don't do it. They will torture your ass. Leave now. Leave while you can. They have me tortured. Drink your wine. That's why they call it. So they can trap you and torture you. This is bullshit. I have a high pain tolerance.
How many hearts does an octopus have?
Hearts?
Hearts.
Oh, good God.
And I'm showing you the answer.
3.
Did you see the shadow?
No!
So where are we? What are we
doing right now?
What are we-
With wine? What are we cooking?
We're
I
just,
know
like,
we have the
shocking
wine, but like, what are we
people.
cooking? Yeah, I need smaller glasses so that I refill.
Whatever. Don't you want to cover the secret?
That's a secret. Look at how little this glass is.
I hardly drink anything. I don't feel sober and bored.
And drink.
Have you got wine or just cooking things?
Drink. Everybody. Like, I have a very high pain tolerance. Like, am I gonna know when it's coming? For Christ's sake, good Lord.
Bottle.
Fill her glass up.
Oh, that's filled. That is way beyond filled. Oh my God, nobody's gonna drink that. Are you kidding me? I can't even pick that up.
Cheers, Nick. It's really rude not to cheers. Why wouldn't you cheers me?
Cheers you how?
Cheers with your glass.
Oh my God, let me move my phone.
Just cheers. Wait, don't spill it.
Sarah,
Don't.
Oh my God.
Sarah, you should have just gone like this.
Oh, I should have. I didn't even pick it up. I didn't even touch the glass. I should have done something different. People, watch the cameras. This is what you get at Cooking with Wine.
Don't
Don't be a
keep
guest
going,
star.
people.
Don't be a guest star.
Cut that bit out.
I'm gonna mention it in every clip. Let's fill your whole glass with wine until the upper top and see who does it better. With your sweet wine, not even real wine. This isn't a thing. I can't compete with the thing. I give up. I give up! It's over! You're a madman! Deep breaths. Deep breaths.
What do we do?
That's what we know, patience.
Like,
Deep breaths.
Try
Deep
to
breaths.
eat.
Alexa, what do Portuguese people look like?
What you want?
Romance ethnic group indigenous to Portugal.
Don't be
Alexa,
rude about it.
show me people from Portuguese. We're cooking with wine. Cooking with wine.
No.
I could be electrocuted, but yet I can't sing that theme song.
You're electrocuted to get the question right. Shit.
The port is gone. The life is gone.
Fuck, it's gone. Where's your glass at? Ba-da-ba-ba-da-bam. Da-da-da-da-da. Fucking cooking with wine. Da-da-da-da.
Put the
Like-
pasta in the bowl.
Like,
Put the pasta in the motherfucking bowl. Straight up with a knife though, but like not with a spatula, with a knife.
Good night.
Not with a strainer, with a knife. Cooking with knives. We don't know what we're doing, but we're cooking with knives. We're cooking with knives and everything is so nice. Ouch.
Do you remember the, yeah, you'll definitely be invited back.
So here's a
Thank you. You were the best ever guest on Cooking Wine.
we're cooking with wine. We're cooking with wine.
We're cooking with wine. We're cooking with wine. There'll be some cooking, but mostly wine.